There's been a couple of things that I've seen that are almost the other end of the spectrum on that, and that is trying to do machine learning without code, to where you don't have all that.
Yeah, there's definitely this like jargon of low, no code.
Yes.
Sort of deal, right?
And that's really taken off lately, I've noticed. I've seen a whole bunch of different things, both on the software side and now I've seen multiple articles about Excel for doing machine learning and stuff.
Things come full circle.
It does. And I will reveal my bias to say, the first time or two I was seeing the Excel articles, I was kind of shrugging it off entirely, but they seem to be, depending on how you want to define machine learning and what level and such as that, it's catching on a little bit. There's a strong interest in, just as there is in the software development field. I had a conversation just a couple of days ago with a good friend who was talking about all the no-code approaches. Now, and this is a programmer, someone who programs in many languages, talking about all the no-code solutions and that some of them are quite good. So having seen some of these promoting Excel as machine learning tools, what do you think? Is that something that would ever, Daniel Whitenack, enter into your mind to get some work done?
Well, first of all, I don't have access to Excel at all. So I probably wouldn't use Excel.